guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tired Mama, and I'm here today to talk to you about the top 3 personality attributes that you need if you want to be a freelancer. Now, if you're new here, I've been freelancing for 5 years. I'm trying to be very open and transparent about income earnings while doing freelancing. I do work both in and outside of freelance agencies like Upwork. Upwork is a website that I work with and work through, but I also have side gigs or side hustles. I can tell you that in the last year with Upwork alone, I have brought in over $50,000. Right, so this is a legitimate work at home opportunity. Yes, I make a real paycheck. I actually get 2 paychecks a week. Yes, I pay my taxes on my own. These are all things that are important about being a freelancer. But if you really want to start in the freelance world, it does take a little bit of work. Okay? Let's talk about the 3 personality attributes that really help you to become a freelancer. Number 1 is going to be motivation. Now, freelance work is a little bit different in that there's no one telling you to go do this, like in front of you face to face. Yes, there's someone digitally. But if you're not motivated to do the job, to complete the job, you're likely not going to do it. Okay? Motivation, I'm sorry, there's kids playing next door. Motivation comes in when it's time to put the extra work into your profile. Put the extra work into finding a job. You have to be properly motivated. Now, many of us want to be work-at-home moms, work-at-home dads. We want to supplement our incomes. Those can all be done, but it starts with having the motivation to get started. And that's not saying a conversation. Anyone can go, oh, I want to be a stay-at-home mom. I want to work from home. Oh, I want to do what you do, Samantha. And then stop there. Like, there's more to it. All right, number 2, you have to have a sense of responsibility. When I say that, you have to truly want to do what is right for you and the companies that you work with. You never ever want to not complete a job. In the freelance world, your reputation will precede you. On Upwork, there's a ranking, and people that you do projects for will rank you and leave a review. If you leave a bad review or you have done a bad job, that review will haunt you in your coming contracts. This is something to keep in the back of your mind. You always want to complete a job to the best of your ability. And that comes from a sense of responsibility in being the best that you can and completing the job as requested. Number 3, and this is probably the biggest thing you need if you want to be a freelancer. You need a realistic view of what work from home looks like. Work from home is not always sitting down in your pajamas with a cup of coffee and your kid playing in your lap. Like, that's not what it is. Many times I think that we get this unrealistic view of what jobs in general are. But a realistic view is that, number 1, not every job is real. Okay? We have a lot of scammers out there. Number 2, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And number 3, you're not going to be paid $100 an hour to answer emails. Okay? These are realistic things, guys. I'm going to be talking about this over the next couple of weeks. I'm going to start Vlogmas December the 1st, and we are going to talk about business and business-related stuff every single month to help you up your income for Christmas, for paying off debt, whatever it is that you need to do. All right, guys, it is time for me to go. I got to go to work. I will see you all next time. Remember to like the video, leave me a comment below. Have you ever done freelance work? Or are you new to this field? And I will see you all next time. Remember 3 things. Number 1, you are worth the time it takes to better your life or lose weight. Number 2, your life is worth the time and effort that it takes to better your life. And number 3, know that you are loved. Until next time, guys, bye.